My dear brothers and sisters, Abdullah bin Amr bin Alaz, may Allah be pleased with them, narrated that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "This world is entirely a source of enjoyment," meaning it is something from which a person benefits and finds pleasure. Allah has created this world for the benefit of humanity, as stated in the Quran. It is He who created for you all that is in the earth. Surah Al-Baqarah, Ayah 29. He created it for your benefit, pleasure, and to fulfill your needs. The best possession in this world, from which a person derives the most benefit, is a righteous and pious woman. In another hadith, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "There are three things from your world that I love the most." How beautifully he stated, "from your world," because he had also said elsewhere that his connection to the world is like a traveler who stops to rest in the shade of a tree for a short while and then moves on, leaving the tree behind. So, he said, "There are three things from your world that I love the most." What are they? A woman, perfume, and cold water. Among all the blessings of the world, these three things are the highest of blessings. It is not proven in any hadith that the Prophet, peace be upon him, ever made a special effort to get a particular food throughout his life, nor is it proven that he ever requested a specific dish to be cooked. Rather, he ate whatever was presented to him. However, he took great care in having cold water. Cold water was brought to him from about 2.5 kilometers away from the Prophet's mosque, because the water from that place was cold and sweet. He even instructed that after his passing, he should be bathed with water from that well. In conclusion, one of the three things he loved the most is a pious woman. If a woman is not pious, the Prophet, peace be upon him, sought refuge from such a woman, saying, "O Allah, I seek refuge from a woman who will make me old before my time and from children who will become a burden." May Allah protect us. Ameen. Therefore, when choosing a spouse for yourself or your children, look for a woman who is religious and pious. If, God forbid, she is not pious, there is a risk of her becoming a source of suffering. Therefore, if someone is blessed with a righteous wife, he should value her and not take her for granted. He should fulfill her rights and treat her with kindness. May Allah, with His mercy, grant us the ability to act upon these teachings.